The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to preview and deploy activities to students using Total Access Math. The first step is to find an activity or activities to deploy. Find the To Deploy menu, which is right here, and click on any of the labels. So let's say I'm going to click on Ultimate Speed Math. And by the way, the numbers preceding the labels indicate the approximate age appropriateness for each activity set. Again, I stress the word approximate. So I'm going to click on Ultimate Speed Math. And here comes a menu. It's going to tell me all about Ultimate Speed Math. You can see the description here. It tells you exactly what this game aims to accomplish. It shows you Common Core alignment. For many of these, they'll have skills reinforced also. It also gives you the option to print out a lesson plan or to show you exactly how to play the game in an instructional video. So if I click on instructional video, you'll see a YouTube video showing how to play Ultimate Speed Math will come up. So now, let's say I like Ultimate Speed Math. And as I said, clicking on a label brings up a description, skills reinforced, Common Core alignment, and options to print out a lesson plan or to see the main activity used in an instructional video. And if you have used MrNussbaum.com before in the past, you may already be familiar with many of these games. Okay. When you deploy one of these activity packs, students will have access not only to the game, but also to various recordable, picture-based math activities that reinforce the same skills in a more formal manner, as well as printable worksheets and the instructional video. So when you find one you want to use, let's say I really like what I read in Ultimate Speed Math, I'm going to take this, I'm going to click and drag it to a space where it says to be deployed. I'm just going to drop it right there. Once again, the information comes up. And let's say I want to also, want to deploy a game called Sushi Fractions. If I want, I can deploy just one game activity pack, or I can deploy them all. I just drag and drop all the ones over here that I want. So in Sushi Fractions, you see the same sort of information comes up. Okay. And so now I have to decide who I want to deploy this to. I can deploy it to all of my math students, and I would simply do that by clicking here. Or I can deploy it to individual students. So rather than going to a whole class, just go to selected students. If I click this checkbox, then my individual students come up, and I can check one or all of them. Let's deploy this to all of my students, though. Watch how easy this is. Okay, so all I do is click Deploy Now, and all of this is deployed. Later, to find out what I have deployed, I just select the class, the student name, click Display Deployed Items. It'll give me an itemized list of everything I've deployed, and I can undeploy them if I so choose. Anyway, so watch this. I'm about to deploy Ultimate Speed Math and Sushi Fractions to all of my math students. If you watch the first video, you see there's only 3 of them. Click Deploy Now. Items deployed successfully. Now all of those students have those activities in their accounts, and they can access them when they log in. Click OK, and that's it. So that's how you deploy activities to students.